Good morning class. Today we are going to see about the types of the sentences. My name is Harshvard. Today I am going to represent you the types of the sentences. है ना? There are actually 4 types of the sentences are there. One is a statement, interrogative, exclamatory, and the fourth one is a imperatives. है ना? The statement sentence are used for the showing the statement or making the facts. And interrogative sentence means the question sentence. The third one, exclamatory sentence, that are the sentence which are showing the emotion, that will be counted under the exclamatory sentences. Then next one is the imperative. So which are the sentences are giving command, है ना, that will be counted under the imperative sentence. One by one we will see that. Okay, the first of all see there. Okay, so here it is the types of the sentences are here, है ना. So one by one we will see. So first of all, what is a sentence? है ना? A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. है ना? Means के whenever there are a lot of words are in there, है ना? So we are just mixing it together and making a proper sentence that which can everybody can understand. That is called the sentence, है ना? But everybody can understand and make a complete sense, है ना? It is called the sentence. Example, Tom is going to play, है ना? Here the Tom is the subject and he is going to play will be the predicate there. Now there are the actually 4 types of the sentences are there, है ना? The declarative, interrogative, imperative and the exclamatory sentences. The first one, declarative sentence, it is known as the assertive sentences, statement sentence, है ना? It is the 3 names of the only one type of the sentence is there. This type of the sentence will show state the facts and opinions and other statement. It will be counted under the statement sentences. These are the most important types of the sentence. This type of the sentence will end with a period. Whenever a normal sentence is ending with the full stop or the end mark, है ना, that is will count under the statement sentence. Here are some examples are there. One is the sky is blue. The second one, I am a 3rd grade student. The fourth one, we will go to the movies tomorrow. He is a great reader. है ना? We have a program with the morning. Our class is having a party on Friday. These all are the sentences are saying a fact or saying an opinion about something. है ना? But it is most importantly it is saying something. है ना? Whenever a sentence is saying something and finishing with the full stop or the end mark will be counted under the statement sentence, है ना? Okay, so we will see the next one, the interrogative sentence. This type of the sentence are very important. Then interrogative sentences ask a question. Whenever a sentence is asking something or interrogating about something, है ना? It will be counted under the interrogative sentences. Interrogation, the meaning of the interrogation is coming from the interrogative sentences, है ना? This type of the sentence usually asked directly to someone. This type of the sentence ends with a question mark. Whenever a sentence is ending with a question mark, it will be counted under the interrogative sentence. All the question in the world will be counted under the interrogative sentence. So we will see some example of it. The first one, can you repeat the question? Are we going to have a recess today? Question mark. What is your favorite movie? Question mark. How do you answer this question? Question mark. The last one, do you have an extra pencil? Here you can see every sentence is asking something, है ना? Whenever a sentence is asking about something, it will be counted under the question sentence. Means the interrogative type of the sentences, है ना? Then next one is the imperative sentence. Okay, what is the imperative sentence? Whenever a sentence is commanding something or request to someone, it will be counted under the request sentence. This type of the sentence is used when you order a person to do something or ask a request or favor. This type of the sentence ends with either period or a question mark. It is important that you just have to identify which sentence is commanding or which is saying something, है ना? So you just have to identify okay, it is the imperative or the interrogative or the statement sentence. These 3 are looking similar, but the sound of it can be the different there, है ना? You just have to identify which type of the sentence can be there. So you just have to look closer to understand the intention of the sentence. So here are some examples are given. The first two examples are for the command sentence, है ना. Get the flag quickly, keep off the grass, get the water, है ना. This is one by me. As the request sentence, you can say, can you help me to find my shoes? Can you help me to find my shoes? Please return to your seats. Please return to your seat. We are requesting in the last two sentences. In the first two sentences, we are commanding. So whenever the command is there, or the requesting someone, or saying our wish or desire in form of a request, it will be counted under the imperative sentences, है ना. And the last one, whenever a sentence is showing the emotion or a expression in there, it will be counted under the exclamatory sentence, है ना. This sentence that has a very strong emotion or a surprise, exclamatory sentences express the intense feeling or of a person. Whenever are saying our emotion or saying our feeling to the someone, it will be that type of the sentence which is showing that, it will be count the exclamatory sentence. You can identify by, it will be end with the exclamation mark, है ना. You can identify by that also, है ना, the exclamation mark there. Here are some examples are given here. What a beautiful day. I am angry. You did a great job. I love the color of your room. You won the prize. That is a huge well. है ना. Here all the sentences are showing us the emotion of something, है ना, or exclaiming, है ना, means के showing the emotion or the expression in there, है ना. That type of the sentence are called the exclamatory sentence. It will always end with the exclamation mark. That you all have to remember. So till that we are keeping till here, है ना. If you like this video, then subscribe, like and share.